In this video, we'll balance the equation Na3PO4 plus CoCl2. This is sodium phosphate plus cobalt 2 chloride. So we're going to use a little bit of a trick to make this easier. But let's count the atoms up on both sides. We have 3 sodium atoms, and here's the trick. We have a phosphate ion here, this PO4, this phosphate, it stays together in the chemical reaction. And we have 2 of them over here. So we can just say we have 1 phosphate. We have 1 cobalt, and then 2 chlorine atoms. On the product side, we have the 1 sodium. The phosphate, we have 2 phosphates. So put a 2 there, 3 cobalts, and then 1 chlorine atom. So when I look at this, I think let's just start with the sodiums. We could put a 3 here in front of the NaCl. 1 times 3, that would give us 3 sodiums. They'd be balanced. 1 times 3. Now we have 3 chlorine atoms. I think next, I see I have 2 phosphates here and 1 here. If I put a 2 in front of the sodium phosphate, I have 3 times 2. That'll give me 6 sodiums, but I have the 1 phosphate times 2. That balances the phosphate, so that makes that a lot easier. As I look at it, I see I have 3 of these cobalts and then 1 over here. So I'm going to put a coefficient of 3. 1 times 3, so that's balanced, and then the 3 times the 2 here, that'll give me 6 chlorine atoms. It looks like this 3 here, we're going to have to double that because we want to get 6 chlorine atoms here. If we double that, that looks like that will also fix our sodiums. If we double this, that would double our sodiums, and that would be balanced. So let's change this to a 6. So I put a 6 in front of the NaCl. 1 times the 6, that's 6 sodium atoms. Those are balanced. Chlorines, 1 times 6 gives me 6 of those, and everything is balanced. So you can see it's very helpful if we consider these polyatomic ions as just one item if they appear on both sides of the equation. You could separate it into phosphorus and oxygen atoms. That just takes a little bit longer, and it's more prone to error. This is Dr. B with the balanced equation for Na3PO4 plus CoCl2. Thanks for watching.